Look, some of you look too tired. Some of you look a little bit depressed, and I want to improve your mood. I want you to feel on top of the world, and today I'm going to show you the 5 changes you need to make in your life that will completely uplift your mood. Let's go. Number 1, you want to grab a cup of coffee. Look, if you're a coffee drinker, you probably have already experienced this, but here's the science. See, a 2016 meta-analysis figured out that the caffeine inside of coffee is related to a dopamine hike in your brain, which basically links up to you having an uplifted mood every time you take a sip. However, you want to use this trick wisely. See, if you overdrink coffee, you're going to have an adverse effect where now you're going to be filled with jitters and anxiety and almost borderline stressed out. According to Mayo Clinic, they recommend about 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day. Number 2, wear blue light blockers. Here's the problem. Most of us spend so much time in front. I can't even tell you how much time I spend in front of a computer screen, a laptop, a tablet, or a phone. I would say at least 8 to 10 hours a day. What's happening is that all that digital blue light, it's messing up with my internal clock. By the time that it's for us to go to sleep, let's say it's 10, 11 at night, you've been on your computer all day. All that digital blue light has messed up with your internal clock so bad, your brain is telling your body it's still daylight outside, so it's not shutting down, making it impossible for you to go to sleep, taking you forever, and now you're only sleeping 4 to 5 hours. This is why you look so exhausted and tired. This is why taking a pair of digital blue light blockers is probably the best thing that you can do for your mood. See, blue light blockers like our Prism collection from Jade Black, I keep pointing to the back because I legit have them hung in my office. But basically what we did with this collection is that we included that blue light blocking technology in our Prism collection. They're not prescription, so anybody can wear them. And the cool thing is that when you throw them on, not only do you look sexy, not only do you look good, you also look a little smarter, which again, bonus points, but it's functional. It's protecting your eyes from all that damage, and what happens is at the end of the night, you can easily take them off and go to sleep because that blue light isn't impacting your internal body clock. Again, look at the facts. Studies have proved this time and time again. Blue light does affect your internal body clock, and more importantly, look at our reviews. See, our Jade Black Prism collection, guys, we have over 5,000 5-star reviews. We're not playing around. Thousands of men globally wear Jade Black. You want to know why? Not only do we have great designs, but it's the best quality you'll ever find. We use Italian acetate, stainless steel construction, polarized and or blue light lenses. We also have prescription lenses. Top of the line quality, the same stuff you're going to see designers use, but ours start at $49. $49. You can legit buy 4 to 5 pairs and it's still cheaper than one designer pair. And now you have an entire collection you can rotate so you look good every single day of the week. Bro, what are you waiting for? Click the link down below. See the reviews for yourself. Just take a browse. Take a browse of our Prism collection. I promise you, you're going to fall in love with at least one pair. Pick it up. It's going to change your life. Number 3, I want you to limit down your social media use. It is all consuming and it really doesn't boost your morale because it attacks you on 2 fronts. 1, because you're literally doing nothing other than just watching videos all day, your brain registers it as time wasted. What ends up happening is that you end up feeling guilty for spending 2-3 hours glued onto your phone. And then the second thing is that it also attacks your personal ego. When you start seeing everybody's life, all their cars, all their houses, all their vacations, all this glamorous stuff, you start comparing it to your life and thinking you're not good enough. So it's basically a double whammy to your mood, and this is why you end up feeling like crap when you've spent 5 hours on social media. I'm not telling you to get off. It's important to interconnect. However, I want you to limit it on purpose. Try to shoot for 1 to 2 hours and just see how it's going to uplift your mood. Number 4, I want you to prioritize your health. See, what you eat and how much physical activity you get in a day has a direct correlation with your mood. Let me give you an example. Leafy greens, lean red meats, and whole grains provide essential nutrients that are important for brain food, for that brain power. Then compound that with the effect of lifting, running, swimming, bicycling, or any sort of sport. It has been proven that within about 5 minutes of physical activity, your mood is instantly uplifted. Not to mention, doing sports or any of these physical activities most of the time forces you to step outside, and social interaction and interaction with nature have also been proven to uplift your mood. So it's like a win-win-win-win-win when you take care of your health. Which finally takes us to number 5, and it's inhaling something pleasant. Look, I've talked about this before. I actually wear a fragrance right before going to bed. I'll take a shower, I'll grab my favorite fragrance, I'll spray it on and go to bed for myself. because I love it. It is pleasant every morning when I put my favorite fragrance. I love inhaling it. And look, I was just telling you to do that because I like to do it and it impacted my mood, but here's the science. See, in a specific study, they took men where they sniffed both vanilla bean and lavender, and then they rated their mood. In both cases, both groups experienced higher levels of happiness. Other pleasant scents can be lavender, peppermint, and lemon, all of which also have been proven to improve your mood, which means you need to find a fragrance that just smells good. Potentially that has one of these notes that I talked about in this video, and then try applying it during the day. In the morning, as soon as you apply it, that's gonna give you a quick uplift. And then during the day, when you're feeling down, but you smell just how good you smell, it's almost gonna give you that confidence boost to keep your mood on high all day. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out Jade Black. If you guys want to check out a pair of our Prism collection, it'll be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.